You are planning new home or renovating your exact house? Then false ceiling design is one of the most important elements you should focus. In today's video, we will discuss false ceiling design and their importance, and types and design ideas and materials used, and most importantly, the price. False ceilings is not only enhance the beauty of your home interiors, but also help to lighting insulation and overall comfort. So watch this video till end to understand which false ceiling design is best for your home and what budget should you plan. So let's understand first why false ceilings is important. False ceilings give to the clean and modern and luxurious look to your home. Spotlights and profile lights and call lightnings and chandeliers can be used of installed, and electrical wires, AC tops and pipes and remain hidden the false ceilings, and these are help to maintain room temperature of reduce the noise. A well-designed ceilings is increase the overall value of your house. So areas where false ceilings designs is commonly used in living rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, dining areas, bathrooms, home interiors, offices and commercial spaces. Each area required to the different ceiling design and material. Now we know types of false ceiling materials. POP false ceiling plaster of Paris, it's mostly common use in Indian homes. Advantages like smooth finish, easy to design and budget friendly. The price in India 80 rupees to 120 rupees per square feet. Gypsum board false ceiling, these are modern and lightweight ceiling design material. These are crack free and quick installation, perfect for lightning designs. The price in India 100 rupees to 150 rupees per square feet. PVC false ceiling best for kitchens and bedrooms. Advantages like waterproof, termite proof, easy maintenance. The price in India 90 rupees per square feet. Wooden false ceiling give to the warm and premium look. Advantages like luxurious appearance and natural finish. The price in India 250 rupees per square feet. Metal false ceilings and aluminum grid used mostly in offices, commercial spaces. The price in India 150 rupees per square feet. Popular false ceiling designs: simple flat false ceiling, minimal and budget friendly, 80 rupees per square feet. Call lightning false ceilings is a soft and indirect lighting around the edges, 120 rupees per square feet. Layered false ceiling design 2 or 3 levels of depth, 150 rupees per square feet. And designer false ceilings, costume patterns and costs, 250 rupees per square feet. And wooden panel false ceilings, these are modern and luxury interiors, 300 rupees per square feet. False ceiling with lighting options, lighting added to the life of false ceiling designs, LED strips 200 rupees per piece, profile lightings 800 rupees per meter, cow lightnings 150 rupees per running feet, and chandeliers 3000 rupees to going up to 10,000 rupees. Total cost of false ceiling, example living room 150 square feet, gypsum false ceiling design will be cost 15,000 rupees. Lighting and wirings, all the cost include, the price will be 15,000 to 20,000 rupees. So popular false ceiling brands in India: Saint Gobain and USB Broder and Armstrong and Everest and Vishaka and local POP contractors. Some advantages of false ceilings: beautiful interiors and support modern lighting and console wirings and improve the installation. Only few disadvantages: they reduce the ceiling height, repair the work can be costly, require skilled workmanship. False ceiling design is essential part of modern interior design in India. With the right materials, lighting and layout, false ceiling can transform your home into stylish and comfortable space. Plan your design carefully based on the room size, ceiling height and budget.